How to get Moonlit Fruits and Lunar Points in Grow Garden on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So to get Moonlit plants in Grow Garden on Roblox, you need to participate in the Lunar Glow event and use the Moonlit mutation mechanic. And here's how you can do that. You need to go ahead and participate in the Lunar Glow event first, and this event happens during the game's nighttime. So get the moonlit mutations. During the nighttime, your plants might change into the moonlit plants when exposed to moonlight. This can happen to any plant, even those that already have mutations. So use the private server for AFK farming. To increase your chances, use a private server and leave your game running overnight. This will give your crops more time to mutate. Also identify the moonlit plants. Moonlit plants glow and often have purple stars or bright purple color. This visual signs means the mutation was successful. So collect the lunar points. When you harvest the moonlit plants, you get the lunar points. You can use these points to buy special items or unlock other things in the event. So the tips for farming efficiently is to maximize the crop exposure. Plant as many crops as you can to increase your chances of getting mutations at night, and use sprinklers. Sprinklers will water your plants automatically, keeping them healthy and increasing the chance of mutation. And also stay active during the night cycles. Play the game during the nighttime to manage your garden and potentially increase how often mutations happen. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.